How to create a zip file on Mac. It is a very easy process. You need not be intimidated by it at all. So this can work in the Finder or on the desktop, and the process is going to stay the same. So for example, I have this llama folder over here. If I show you the size, you can see it is about 29.9 GB. Now to compress it, I'm just going to create a copy so that we are safe over here. And this copy I am going to now compress. So to compress any file or folders, I can just right click on it and select compress and the file name. Select, and then we have a window that pops up that tells us how long it is going to take. So let's wait for it. So it shows about 9 minutes for about 20-30 GB. So that's quite a bit, but let's see how it works. And that is the actual process. You don't need to do anything after it, but I am going to show you the before and after of the file size. And we are almost there, about 28 GB right now. There you have it. The zip file has been created. Now mind you, this was about 29.9 GB and this is about 28.9. It's not a huge difference, but it is a zip file. So it compressed whatever it could basically, and in this case there was not much to compress, I guess. But that is how you create a zip file on Mac. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.